If you're serious about growing on YouTube with AI content, then you need to start using workflows that save time without sacrificing quality. One of the newest features inside Google Flow is Storyboard Studio, and after testing it myself, I can honestly say it has the potential to speed up the entire AI filmmaking process. Instead of manually organizing every scene, character, location, and shot, Storyboard Studio helps you build everything in one place, making it much easier to turn an idea into a complete AI video. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how it works from start to finish. To begin, create a new project inside Google Flow. Once you're inside the workspace, open the Tools section from the left sidebar. You'll notice several AI tools available, including Sketch Tool, Mockup, Magic Mask, and even the option to create your own custom tools. We'll cover those in another video, but for this tutorial, scroll down and open Storyboard Studio. The first thing Storyboard Studio asks you to do is choose the visual style of your project. You can either create your own custom style or select one of the available presets. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the 3D animation preset. Once you've selected your style, click Get Started to move to the next step. Now you'll enter the Script tab. This is where Storyboard Studio starts doing the heavy lifting. Simply paste your complete story or script, and Google Flow automatically breaks it into scenes, actions, and dialogue. Instead of giving you a basic outline, it creates a structured storyboard that's already organized and easy to work with. It's not perfect, so you should still review everything before moving forward, but it saves a huge amount of time by handling the initial planning for you. It almost feels like having an AI pre-production assistant organizing your project behind the scenes. Once your script is ready, move over to the Assets tab. Normally, creating characters, locations, and props takes a lot of manual work, but Google Flow automates most of this process. Simply click Autofill Characters, Autofill Locations, and Autofill Props. Flow reads your script and automatically generates assets based on your story. If something doesn't match your vision, you're not locked into the result. You can regenerate characters, edit locations, or adjust props until everything looks the way you want. After your assets are ready, open the Storyboard tab. This is where your project starts feeling like a real film. You'll see every scene arranged as storyboard frames. Initially, the frames will be empty, but once you click Autofill Scene, Google Flow uses your script along with the generated assets to automatically create visuals for each scene. These aren't random AI images. They're connected to your story and built around the characters, locations, and world you've already established. Instead of imagining how your video might look, you can actually see your story coming together scene by scene. Before moving any further, make sure you save your project. This is a small but important step because if you close the project without saving, you'll lose your entire script breakdown and storyboard structure, forcing you to start over. Saving regularly ensures all of your progress stays secure while you continue building your project. Now it's time to give your characters a voice. Open the Characters panel, select one of your characters, and choose a voice. Google Flow lets you preview different voice options before making your final choice. Don't rush this step because the voice plays a huge role in how your character feels on screen. Once you're happy with one character, repeat the same process for the rest of your cast until every character has an appropriate voice. With everything prepared, we're ready for the final step, turning storyboard frames into actual AI videos. Open all media, select the storyboard frame you want to animate, and click Add to Prompt. From here, you can choose between standard mode and agent mode. Personally, I recommend agent mode because it removes the need to write detailed prompts manually. Simply copy the matching scene from your script, paste it into agent mode, and Google Flow automatically generates an optimized prompt for that scene. There's one more tip that improves the results even further. Before generating the video, type the @ symbol and tag the character that appears in the scene. This helps Google Flow understand exactly which character should be included, making the final generation much more accurate and consistent. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and within a few moments, your storyboard frame transforms into a complete AI generated video with synchronized visuals and dialogue. This is what makes Storyboard Studio so powerful for YouTube creators. Instead of jumping between multiple AI tools for scripting, planning, storyboarding, and scene generation, Google Flow brings everything into one workflow. That means you spend less time managing your project and more time creating videos consistently. And on YouTube, consistency combined with high quality content is one of the biggest factors for long-term growth. That's the complete workflow. We started by creating creating a project in Google Flow, selected a visual style, converted our script into organized scenes, automatically generated characters, locations, and props, built a complete storyboard, assigned voices, and finally turned each storyboard frame into an AI-generated video using agent mode. If you're planning to create AI films, animated stories, or cinematic YouTube content, Storyboard Studio is definitely a feature worth adding to your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe because I regularly share the latest Google Flow updates, AI filmmaking tutorials, and YouTube growth workflows that help creators produce better content with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.